It's Wednesday the 11th. I've been putting out fires since I started this morning. This one doesn't have that. This one can't do that. Although they say they can do it, or they say they have it. Being the middleman sucks because you're stuck in the middle. These people I source products from, they don't lie, but I just think people need to get their shit together. Don't say you can do it, and then when we get the sale, say you can't do it. Don't tell me you have 50,000 bottles of hand sanitizer on the shelf and then not have it. Come on, man. You say all this cool shit about how you make the shit yourself so you never have to worry about being out of stock. And guess what? You're out of fucking stock. Get it together, will you? Maybe the day will get better. It's late, man. It's 12:30. Sorry, it's not even. It's 10 to 1. God damn. Where the hell's the morning going? At least it's nice out. Echo, what's the weather today?
In Dallas, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds, with a high of 85 degrees and a low of 67 degrees.
85.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday to you. 85 degrees, can you believe it? It's almost damn summertime. We went from winter to summer in 2 days. It'll be fun. See ya.
Okay, have a good day, honey.
Take it easy, Lise. I'll see you around the hoodwink. Haha, look at this loser. Rolling around the dirt. What's going to be a great summertime day for you? Look, I got to go. See you, Stella.
She came to my house last Friday night. Hair was short, her dress was white. I have the worst intentions. There's no need to mention why. I made a drink and she got high, wondering what's inside of mine. I have some bad intentions, none that I failed to mention. I won't say anything she won't believe.
We start on the radio. More cancellations of this fucking virus. South by Southwest was supposed to be this week. They canceled the Houston Rodeo. It's coming up. I don't get it. You know, there's a big conference in Connecticut I was supposed to go to at the end of this month that I decided not to go to. I just want to get on a plane with a bunch of people. Who knows where they've been and where the plane's been and who else has been on it before I got there. So it's just much easier not to do that. Stay away from crowds. I don't like crowds anyway, so it works out fine. God damn, it's nice out though. Woo! 80-something degrees. Oh, look at this tree by the office now. It's blooming. It's blooming nicely. What do they call that? A dogwood tree. All right, let's go in and see what other kind of trouble we can get into. Well, shit. I forgot something. I gotta run back to the house. Damn. Whew. Boy, it's nice out though. I don't mind driving around. So I can check out the macro lens thing going on this phone right quick. Let me do that. That's us. Well, we've come to the end of another hump day here at Bigger Fish HQ. I'm gonna head out, drive around, trying to find something to take time lapse of. Traffic, people on the lake, maybe boats, I don't know, sailboats, something. I've got about an hour of daylight left, so it's Wednesday night, so she's working, so I get a kitchen pass tonight. Maybe I'll go home and throw some ribeyes on the grill. Who knows what? Oh shit, I gotta go to the grocery store. Okay, I'm gonna do that too. More from the road. Sun's behind that building over my shoulder. Where's this jazzercise up there? So, I don't know if it's going to look good or not. Turn it around that way. Parking lot full of people. They're obviously giving something away. Kroger today. Holy moly. Man, this Kroger's crazy. There's people all over the place. I don't know what they're giving away, but shit. 7 o'clock at night, man. People need to go home. Go cook their dinner or whatever, I guess. I don't know. A lot of people here. Good people watching the place. Not as good as Walmart, but it's pretty good. We're leaving Kroger. I might have an hour a day left. Who knows? It's 7 o'clock. It's still bright and sunny out. Man. Seen the daylight savings, man. You cut the clock back to an hour, but goddamn, you get like 2.5 hours of sunshine because of it. It's like, I don't know, it's wild. Here's this dickhead. Keep calm and trust in God and Batman. Perfect. This lens is fucking filthy again. I didn't even touch it. Look at it. I don't get it. Here we are, home sweet home. Hello. Pretty cool. There was a yellow cat laying in front of the house, and I thought it was our cat, but it was not. It was the stray, the neighborhood stray. Can you see him out there? There he is, Mr. Orange. Hello, look alive, Mr. Orange. Open this door, he'll run the fuck away. So I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna open the door. He's a good dude. I'm glad keeping him around. Oh boy, he just did a little flip. Is he gonna do another one? Shit, all that. What he's doing? There he goes. Looks like he's all good though. All right, let's cook some steaks, dude. Here we go. We'll start up the grill.
yeah, I'm staying sober now. I can't deal with the stress I get from going out. Going out. Then you call up my phone, you want a night out. No, I wanna say no, but you're outside my house. Inside my house. You always get me there, I can't say no to you. I'll always take a dare, cause I can't take the truth. This is all your fault, but I'm not blaming you. I'm way too fucking gone, I need you to be cool. I need you to be cool, stay up with me.
Well, I ran out of goddamn daylight. It's 10 to 8. Not quite dark, but man, it's close. Steaks, I got olive oil, thyme, salt, pepper. What else? Lemon pepper. 3 pound piece, it feels like. The size of that thing. Thick. God damn. There's barely room for all 3 of them on here. Alright, mark time, 7:52. Well, I ran out of goddamn daylight. It got dark on me about, I don't know, about 8 o'clock, and I barely put the steaks on, so I got through it. See what they look like. Pretty damn awesome. Steaks are fantastic. However, editing this video this late at night is not. I've been at this since, it took an all day's worth of shooting to come up with 12 or 13 minutes of some kind of story. Not really a story. I did run into some conflict, but I never got any resolution. I managed to take some pretty pictures of a dogwood tree. And I learned how to speed up a video so it looks like a big, fast, speedy time lapse. The macro lens is cool. Whatever. It's 1:45 a.m. I'm going to go to bed. And I'm hoping that my face is not cut off of this video. Good night, y'all.